So I'm very excited to open this parcel today, and I really wanted to do it this morning when it arrived, but I didn't. I waited so I could share it with you guys. So here goes. Yay! It's a big one, all the way from South Africa. Ooh. You guys might have met Totoro in some of my dance videos. I don't think he made it into any of my YouTube videos, but maybe the first of many. Serious business, this box. Ooh. Okay, they are from flowgeng. Techie. And I'm really excited because I'm going to use them in my fan workshops, which is this weekend in Melbourne. But will probably be over by the time I put this video up. And they sent me a couple of different grips as well, so I'm quite excited to try. So this is 2 fingers, or 3 actually. I feel like you can work with 3. They're so cute. This is cute. I'll show you. Aww. Oh, I forget to sway the camera. There it goes. There we go. Aww. Okay, well, I think I have permission to read it out loud. Hi Jessy, thank you for your interest in our prop designs, and especially thank you for reading this note out loud on camera for your unboxing video. This is so meta. Dear smiley face. I hope this gets to you for your workshop. Peace, love, and flow, Duncan from flowgeng. It's even like a little anti-spin thing there. Aww. It has arrived in time. I'm super excited. Also because now I don't have to make like a million pairs of fans for my workshop on the weekend. Yeah! Okay. Ooh, I didn't know this was coming. Aww. Special surprise fans. And they're so pretty. Ooh, ooh. Look at these. Ooh, and they feel nice and smooth too. I am so spoiled. Yay! Thank you, flowgeng! I know it seems like a bit of a Mary Poppins situation right now, but we are coming to the end of my Christmas treats. Can you guess what these are? If you don't spin props, then you're probably like, no. My recycling is going to be so full. They're pretty. Okay, how does this work? That's wrong. This is right. I like them. I love the color in this, so pretty. It's going to match all of my outfits. Yeah. So thank you for sharing that little bit of excitement from my day. It's still kind of exciting. I'm going to play with all of these now. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Ciao! P.S. I almost forgot before I put my camera away to tell you guys that you can actually find these flowgeng tech fans at Flow Toys. So if you are curious and you want to try out their smoothness for yourself, you can find them there. And you can also check out flowgeng's Etsy for the S sleeves and whatnot as well. Okay, I think I've remembered all the things. Ciao! For real this time.